Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the new Google IDE, that is Antigravity, the agent first development platform that redefines software creation, that has AI agents, Gemini 3 powered, browser control, free preview. So what is Google Antigravity? It's a Google revolutionary AI powered IDE announced on the November 18, 2025 alongside Gemini 3. Unlike traditional coding assistant, the merely autocomplete lines, anti-gravity provides a mission control interface for managing autonomous AI agents that can plan, code, test, and even browse the web to build complete applications. Instead of writing a code line by line, you can act as an architect, delegating complex tasks to intelligent agents that works autonomously across your editor, terminal, and the browser. Core concepts: agent first architecture. AI isn't just a tool, it's an autonomous actor capable of planning, executing, validating, and iterating on complex engineering tasks with minimal human intervention. Mission Control Interface, a dedicated dashboard for spawning, monitoring, and orchestrating multiple agent works asynchronously on the different tasks or the workspace. Artifact System, agents produce structured deliverable like task lists, implementation plans, screenshots, browser recordings instead of raw code dumps. Browser sub-agent, powered by Gemini 2.5 computer use, agents can explore the DOM, interact with the web elements, debug applications, and record their actions. Google Docs style comments provide feedback directly on the artifact with inline comments. The agents reads your feedback in the real time and adjusts without restarting. Learning and the memory. Agents maintain an internal knowledge base of code snippets and task patterns from the previous work to improve future performance. Traditional IDE versus anti-gravity. Let's take a look. Primary interface, file, tree, and the code editor. It's agent manager, mission control. Developer role, hands-on coder, architect, and the orchestrator. AI interaction, chatbot in the sidebar, autonomous agents with dedicated workspace. Workflow, linear and the synchronous, parallel and the asynchronous, task completion, manual coding, writing, agent plan, execute, and the verify, output format, raw code suggestions, structural artifacts with screenshots. Now, we have the installation. So we have a Mac OS, Windows, and the Linux. Three of the platform they have their IDEs, so you can go and just download them. Mac OS, Windows, and the Linux. Okay, so they have the minimum requirements are there, so just go and just download it. Okay, so this is that one. So install and launch, then you have to sign personal Gmail account, you have to sign in for the free preview, configure the preferences, accept the terms and services, and go. Available AI models, they have Gemini 3 Pro, Gemini 3 DeepSync, Gemini 3 Flash, Claude Sonnet, GPT OSs. Key features and the capabilities: spec-based development, parallel execution, automation, security reviews, browser automation, progress tracking. So typical workflow from the idea to development: define your goal. So open the agent manager and describe your high level objective. Agent creates the specification, review and provide feedback. Agent plan implementation, parallel execution, testing, verification, walkthrough artifact. Real world case: MVP development will build a complete prototype in hours instead of days. Approach: created to do app with authentication, real time system, and wire responsive design. So these are the real world use cases: bug fixing, documentation generation, test automation, refactoring, data analysis. So this ID is gonna be like one of the best, I think. So we have to try it and let's take a look. If the other IDs are better than this, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.